Hey guys, it's Crystal aka Queen BRZ back with another video for you. So as many of you know, I did get some new wheels, the Wedsport Tc105Ns, and of course I was delaying putting them on my car because I was waiting on tires, and after listening to a lot of your suggestions, I finally picked some, so stay tuned to find out which ones. Okay guys, so this is the big reveal. In my last video, I was asking for some suggestions on tires, and I thank everybody who gave me their suggestions, and I finally picked some. So a lot of you guys were suggesting the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500 and 245/4017 wheels, and I got them. Whatcha? So I'm so excited. Today's the day that I'm finally gonna get them on my car. I've been waiting so long, actually since December for my birthday. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to remove our old tires and wheels and get these new ones on. So the hub bore on Subarus unfortunately don't match the Wedsport Tc105N, so we have to get hub bore rings for all of the wheels in order to get that proper fit. These hub rings come in plastic or aluminum. Plastic is fine for daily driving, but if you're going to be taking your car to the track, you want to get aluminum just because the plastic tends to melt, and then it's going to be getting stuck on everything and really hard to get off, so might as well just go for aluminum. So the hub ring can either go straight onto the hub board like so, or you can go ahead and just put it right onto the wheel like so. Either way is fine, it's whatever you prefer. Now let's mount this wheel up and see how it looks. They look so good. So since I got new wheels, I figured it was time to get some new Muteki lug nuts that match the galaxy purple that I have on my theme of my car. So I'm gonna get these on, and it's just gonna make it pop really nicely, so we'll see how it looks. So the really cool thing about these lug nuts is that you have to have a special key in order to loosen the lug nuts or tighten them, which gives me a lot of comfort because I know no one's gonna be stealing my wheels. Okay guys, so the first wheel is on, and oh my gosh, it looks so good. So I'm gonna show you. That is it. And you can see the purple is not too flashy, which is what I really love about it, because my whole thing is I of course want to do some cosmetic things to the car, but I don't want them to be too obnoxious and flashy, and for me, simple and less is more. So this is perfect, and it matches my galaxy emblems right over here. Super cool galaxy emblems. I love them, and it's just an overlay, which is super cool. I've had them on for about a year now, and they look brand new. As you can see, sorry, this little whatever that is. But yeah, no tears, no bubbles or anything. It looks really good. So very excited, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and get the rest of the wheels on for you, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so everything is on my car now and looking so amazing. Right now I have my camera guy torquing everything down to 85 foot-pounds so that I can be vlogging you while I still have a little bit of sunlight. I did want to do a drive-by for you, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get it with how dim it is. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry. I had work earlier today, and then I got off so late, and then with the winter times, we're just losing light so fast. So in the summer, I'm gonna have a lot easier of a time with the lighting and filming a lot more for you guys. But unfortunately, I have to cut it a little bit short today. But all in all, I am in love. This is seriously the best birthday slash Christmas slash Valentine's Day slash every holiday present I could ever ask for. They look really beautiful. Let me see if I can get a little far view for you here. They look really, really clean, really sharp, and they're really good quality wheels. So this is going to be really exciting, showing off 8.6 Cup, which is coming up. I decided I'm actually going to be going in February, so I think it's the 9th, whatever the Saturday date is. I think it's the 9th, 7th or the 9th, I don't remember. But so the 8.6 Cup event that I'm going to this year is Chuckwalla, and again, it is in February. I'll get the date on my next vlog for you guys, because I really don't remember off the top of my head, but it's either the 7th or the 9th, one of the two. But yeah, no, I'm really excited. I do have to change out my brake fluid to a really high performance brake fluid so that nothing terrible happens out on the road there. But I'm so excited. I still have to do a little bit more research before I get all signed up for that. But yeah, I hope I can see some of my followers there. I would love to meet all of you. But yas, take a look at my baby. I'll be rocking these wheels in Chuckwalla. Alright guys, so I did want to point out that I am running about a 1 finger gap in the front and not even a 1 finger gap in the back. It's really tight back here, but I do want to roll the fenders just to avoid any kind of rubbing. I definitely don't want to destroy my car, so but I really love it, so I'm probably going to be raising my car a little bit just because it is really close to the wheel. But yeah, I'm so excited. Just a reminder, I am running the Race Comp Engineering Super Street 1 coilovers, which are great because of course it gives me that adjustability to raise my car a little bit. And yeah guys, I am so excited. I just like am mind blown. They look so good. Let me know what you think in the comments, because I'm really curious to know. I know a lot of people have really cool wheels like these, but mine are just a little bit more special. Alright guys, so I apologize once again for not being able to do any drive-bys for you with my new wheels on my car, but you should definitely come see me at 8.6 Cup and see my car in live action instead. As you can tell, it's kind of starting to lose focus just because it's getting so dark and it's trying to find my face. So I'm going to sign off for today, but don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch all my videos. Get caught up on the life of Queen BRZ. But that's all I have for today, so until next time, Queen BRZ out.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast.